If you want to change your default boot animation on your Android device running on Android 9, 10 or Android 11, but if you don't like your default boot animation, then here is a good news that you can change your boot animation to some exciting and new boot animation. I will tell you all the information about how you can flash these new boot animation on your Android device, but you need to watch this video till very end and follow all the steps very carefully. And first of all, I want to tell you a very important thing, that this is a Magisk module. That means this will only work on rooted Android device, and your device should be root with Magisk through, and then you can follow the next steps to get new boot animation on your device. And here you can see that my device is Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, which is currently running on Android 11 custom ROM, and on this ROM I will show you that how I can change this boot animation to a new boot animation. Finally, after rooting your device, download the Magisk modules from link given in the description and place in your internal or external storage. Then follow the next step, that open your Magisk manager and hit to the Magisk module section, and where you can find a option called install from storage, or if you are using the old Magisk manager, then you can simply find a plus icon at the bottom of the Magisk manager. Simply click on the install from storage or plus icon, then browse the file which you want to flash. I firstly flashed the OnePlus Cyberpunk Edition boot animation zip file, which is magisk/OnePlus zip file. I simply select this file and it will automatically start flashing, and after a few seconds here you can see a new option called restart. Simply click on the restart, and after that your device will start restarting, and after a few seconds you will see a new OnePlus Cyberpunk boot animation on your device, which looks pretty cool. And personally I also like this boot animation very much, and you comment down that if you like this boot animation or not, and which is your favorite boot animation from these three boot animations. Now simply I will show you how you can select the second Magisk boot animation zip file. Now simply repeat the all step from that, open Magisk manager, then again hit to the install section, then click on install from storage. But I will tell you that if you already installed any other boot animation, simply first remove that animation, then click on the again install from storage, then browse your second boot animation zip file, which is st864 zip file. Here you need to some do volume key programming, like volume pressing up or down button, which is necessary to boot this zip file. Then after here you can see a restart button appears, then simply click on restart button and your device again start restarting. Then you can see a new st864 boot animation, which looks pretty very cool, and personally this is my favorite boot animation from all of three boot animation given in this video. Now finally, if we talk about our third boot animation, which is also a very unique and very popular boot animation, then again follow all steps previously, that open Magisk manager, then hit to the Magisk module section, then click on install from storage. But here also again remove your previously installed boot animation, then click on install from storage, then select your third zip file, which is ROG boot animation zip file, which is also a very popular boot animation and which comes with ROG gaming phones. And this GIF boot animation also looks very cool, and here in this file you simply need to do some volume key programming, which is a very basic thing, and then you will see a restart button. Simply click on restart button and your device start restarting in few seconds, then you can see a new boot animation, which is ROG phones boot animation, which looks very cool and it feels like you are using a gaming phone. So finally, these are three all modules which are a very cool boot animation for these days. You can try on your Android device, and don't forget to comment your favorite boot animation from all of these three files. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends, and if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel.